Hello, if you are wondering how your Apple Watch can help you to detect the atrial fibrillation, so there's like two main ways. The first one, irregular red notifications, is actually use the optical sensor that is located over here to look for pulse patterns that may indicate AFib and can actually send you an alert. It should be available just over here. Second, the AFib history feature, it actually estimates how much time a user with a known AFib diagnosis spends in the AFib and that tracks related lifestyle data. And that's basically how it works in a few short sentences. If you want to learn more, I will definitely hit the Apple website. There is like big description about this feature, but also we can open this health application and read everything about ECG, how it works, if it is reliable and stuff like this. Just remember that this is not official medicinal device.